Okay, so this is Tesla Now here today, and this is going to be me putting on these Lftopp made in China wheel caps for the Tesla Model 3. Now these are a little bit more than the kit that Tesla offers, but it does include more. Okay, so I'm now going to put on the wheel caps and see how they look. So I'm going to start off with the Tesla logo, and I'm going to arrange it either this way or this way. It does take a little bit of force. That's how it goes on. And these go on just like this very easily. I think easily. So now I'm putting on this Tesla cover here. So that is going to be how it looks. Let me orient this same way as the Tesla logo. So this is what the finished product looks like. I think overall it looks very nice. I think it's a little bit better than the Tesla stock one because of that air cap, and also the Tesla logo being a different color than the rest of the wheel is kind of cool too. So I would recommend this product. Thanks for watching, and always remember to subscribe and use the referral link in the description below.